Can this airplane really roll by itself without anyone pushing it?
3, 2, 1. Let's turn on the switch.
Wow, it really moves all by itself.
Hi everyone, I'm Yuri.
Hi everyone, I'm Xena. Welcome to YX Kids Lab. This is my air-powered airplane. When we turn on the switch, the propeller spins and the airplane glides forward.
First, let's test whether it can launch by itself.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
It really wasn't pushed by us.
The propeller makes the air move.
So why can't it move forward all by itself?
The secret is inside the propeller. Science is so fun. Come build it with us. Now come build it with us. The air-powered airplane is finished.
Now let's start the real runway challenge.
Let's see if it can cross the finish line. 3, 2, 1, start!
It keeps rushing forward.
We did it! Yeah! When the propeller spins, it pushes air backward.
Air goes backward, so the airplane moves forward. That's air power. That's why I can feel the cool breeze.
Air-powered challenge complete.
If you like moving science toys too, remember to subscribe to our channel.
Next time, we'll make another super fun science experiment. See you next time. Bye-bye. Crash time! Let's knock down the whole runway.